Hi everybody, welcome to AGAA-MATH. Today we are going to learn how to make the tangrams. Tangrams which we use to make different shapes of figures, which develops our analytical reasoning and analytical thinking. Okay, so how to make? What are the things are needed making tangrams? So take a shape of a squared shape of a sheet. This is a thermocol sheet which I already made into squared shape, and just cutter and the sketch pen for the marking, and ruler which we use to measure. So these three things let us take. And before you watch the video, like our channel, subscribe it, and click on the bell icon for notifications. First of all, after taking a squared shape thermocol sheet, mark the diagonal here. After marking the diagonal, what we do is exactly take the half of the side. So half of the side, in the sense here I use it exactly 20 centimeters of a side sheet here. It is so this is exactly half, and also mark again here also exactly half of the side, that is so as it is 20, then I exactly mark here as this one. So this is 10 units, and then join these points. So taking the two midpoints of the sides of the respective sides, and then join it, right? Then after marking this line, what we do is just turn as and try to draw the diagonal, but not full. Observe carefully. How do I draw? So this is what exactly up to this much. Okay, so then after, what we have to do is just taking exactly half of this side, this means it is exactly 14, so let me take a 7 of this. So, and then you join it. Okay, now if you see carefully, so that is, this is also same 7 units you got here. So this is also, if you do 7, okay, so just mark, and then this is what. And again here also what we do is taking exactly midpoint of this half of the diagonal, that is a 7 here. Okay, and after, what I do is just mark like this. Now if you observe carefully that this consists of 7 shapes of figures. Let us see here, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and what you do is just using the cutter, okay, carefully, okay, which it may cause harm to you. So carefully place the ruler on the lines which you have drawn and cut it carefully. Okay, this is 1, and again carefully, so cut exactly as you made into the pieces. And this is a figure now. So now you can see here total 7 shapes we got. Okay, so these are the 7 shapes which we use for making the different shapes of the different shapes of the figures, and these shapes are said to be the tangrams. Okay, so see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 total. These are the total 7 shapes. How to make the figures, let us see then. And let us see how to make the different shapes of the figures. Now I am going to make the flying bird using the 7 shapes of these tangrams. So first of all, what I do is I just take a triangle and a place like this. This is a triangle. Okay, and then after, what I do is I take another triangle here. Okay, so this is the triangle and just place like this. Clear? Now the next, another big triangle which I take now, so I better use this like this. Okay, another triangle I use, so this is a bigger triangle, so generally it is like this. Okay, and after, what I do is I just take, let us see, like this, right? And here this is what, and the next is this part which I use. So here you can see the flying bird, right? So this is a flying bird. Let us see another shape. Here I made number 5 now using all the 7 shapes. Let us see another number. Here now you can see the number 9. We're using these tangrams. In this way you can make many different types of shapes which develops your reasoning skills. So I hope you enjoy these tangrams, you making the different types of the figures. Thank you all.